eye-catching social media posts or YouTube thumbnails can really make or break your channel. Want to make something funny, want to make something eye-catching, try face swapping. This man is John Cena.
And his name is John Cena!
So, if you don't know who John is, doesn't matter, but we're going to swap his face today. Copy whatever picture. Once again, it could be absolutely anybody. Your mum, your dad. I've even seen people do their dogs. Copy the picture in, give it a picture of the face you want to swap. Swap John Cena's face for mine, please. Click send and wait. I'm using ChatGPT for this. ChatGPT is one of my tools that I use all the time. Look at the size of that forehead. And there's me. John Cena. It's even swapped the face out on the t-shirt. Cena, me. Although I do look like Boogie's kind of YouTube twin. As I said, these can be fantastic memes on social media, or you can, scare your friend with them. If you want to know how to use this specific feature for YouTube thumbnails, there's a video here.